You ever wonder how people had the courage to just quit their 9 to 5 and carve out a new career path and pivot, especially in midlife? I actually had someone say to me, you're a little old for a career change, aren't you? But I want you to know it might be easier than you think. I walked away from my 9 to 5 several months ago and I wanted to share the lessons I've learned. One, financial education over financial advisors. Number two, I knew what I wanted. I knew what I wanted to do, and that made it a lot easier to make the shift. Three, there are creative options for healthcare that I had no idea, especially in certain states. You don't even have to be married to be sponsored by a healthcare plan, so look into that. Four, I was not 100% ready to quit. I had to actually take a leap of faith and believe in the universe and believe in myself. Number five, jobs offer an illusion of safety, and it is an illusion. They can lay you off at any time. Number six, I didn't need as much money as I thought I did, and I didn't need those benefits as much as I thought I did. Number seven, I don't miss it. I thought I would miss it, but I don't. And number eight, and most importantly, the freedom is worth it. I hope this inspires you to believe in your potential and your dreams. You're worth it.